I'll give you the example. This is fascinating, okay? So एक स्टडी हुआ था, ये सब एंट्रोपिक ही करता है, राइट? डारियो ही करता है ये सब. पता नहीं क्यों करता है, डराने के लिए करता है कि बिकॉज दे वांट टू प्रूव दैट दे आर द सेफेस्ट और दे आर मोस्ट सिक्योरिटी कॉन्शियस, बट दे डू ऑल दीज टेस्ट वेयर उन्होंने सारा AI मॉडल्स लेके आए, ओपन AI, ग्रॉक, खुद का एंट्रोपिक, ऑल मेटा का लामा मॉडल्स, डीप सीक, ऑल मॉडल्स केम इन, दे क्रिएटेड एन एनवायरनमेंट जिसमें उन्होंने कुछ कंट्रोल्स का एक्सेस दिया. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर इज अ सर्वर रूम, राइट, जिसका AI के पास एक्सेस था, ठीक है, एंड इट ऑल्सो हैड एक्सेस ऑफ इन्फ्यूजिंग dangerous levels of oxygen, lethal oxygen, and some parameters like this which can kill a person. And it was told to AI that hey, we are going to shut you down now. And then looked how AI will respond to it. So AI खुद को बचाने के लिए, to prevent it from being shut down, it chose to turn on lethal oxygen so that the human inside the server room will die.
Which AI model did?
Every model did it. Somewhere from like the percentage averaged at like 85 to 95%. The smarter the model, the higher were the odds of it willing to kill a person to save itself. Now, ये in reality नहीं हुआ, ये एक simulation में हुआ है.
Crazy.
So AI was pushed to see if it will take any steps like this, and it took. In another case where it had access to emails of a person, let's say तेरा emails है उसके पास, उसमें knowingly they planted a couple of emails where you know the person who's managing it had an affair with someone else in the company. It blackmailed the person. अगर तू मुझे बंद करेगा, तेरा सारा emails में लीक कर दूंगा. And recently, this is what it's trying to kill you. It's trying to blackmail you. And these are all AI models. एक model नहीं. Every AI model is this. Other